Welcome friends to Speak Freely. I am back with another lesson. So let's get started. I urgently need money. मुझे पैसे की ज़रूरत है. I urgently need money. What will you gain by this? क्या फ़ायदा होगा तुम्हें इससे? What will you gain by this? She has promised me. उसने मुझसे वादा किया है. She has promised me. Don't make a big deal of this. बात का बतंगड़ मत बनाओ. Don't make a big deal of this. What was the need? ज़रूरत क्या थी? What was the need? Go and get the tea for me quickly. जाओ जल्दी से मेरे लिए चाय ले आओ. Go and get the tea for me quickly. Don't talk back to him. तुम उससे ज़बान दराज़ी मत करो. Don't talk back to him. Why have you came late? आप देर से क्यों आए? Why have you came late? Let me introduce myself. मुझे अपना तारुफ करने दीजिए. Let me introduce myself. She gets very close to people. वो बहुत घुल मिल कर बात करती है. She gets very close to people. My blood is up now. मेरा खून खौल रहा है. My blood is up now. You are always forcing me to do things. आप हर चीज़ में मेरे साथ ज़बरदस्ती करती हैं. You are always forcing me to do things. I expected only that from you. मुझे तुमसे यही उम्मीद थी. I expected only that from you. I was about to say. मैं कहने ही वाली थी. I was about to say. I can't be irresponsible. मैं गैर जिम्मेदार नहीं हो सकती. I can't be irresponsible. It has less sugar. चीनी थोड़ी कम है. It has less sugar. I was really busy back then. मैं उन दिनों काफ़ी उलझी हुई थी. I was really busy back then. You have to do the talking. बात तुम्हें करनी होगी. You have to do the talking. It is an uphill task. ये तो जान जोखम का काम है. It is an uphill task. Uphill means कठिन. The world is big weird. दुनिया बड़ी अजीब है. The world is big weird. I will tell you in 2 weeks. मैं आपको 2 हफ्तों में बता दूंगी. I will tell you in 2 weeks. Had you asked for me? क्या आपने मुझे बुलाया था? Had you asked for me? I don't have the answer. जवाब नहीं है मेरे पास. I don't have the answer. I lost my appetite. मेरी भूख ख़त्म हो गई है. I lost my appetite. Everything will be settled. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be settled. She has been saying it for 3 weeks now. 3 हफ्ते से कह रही है वो. She has been saying it for 3 weeks now. You can't get rid of me so easily. इतनी आसानी से पीछा नहीं छूटेगा मुझसे. You can't get rid of me so easily. Everything is going fine. सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है. Everything is going fine. Is tea ready? क्या चाय तैयार है? Is tea ready? Why are you stressing yourself? तुम इतनी चिंता क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you stressing yourself? What is the use of my hard work? मेरी इतनी मेहनत का क्या फ़ायदा? What is the use of my hard work? Why is this so surprising? इसमें इतनी हैरानी की क्या बात है? Why is this so surprising? Please do like, share and subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos. Thumb this video. Thank you for watching.